Hi everybody, Nima Farshid here, CEO at Gaia Healers. I wanted to do a quick video for you guys and introduce you to the workshops that we're offering at this conference. So this is something that's different compared to the previous years that we've hosted this event. So we're hosting 5 different workshops at this conference. And I just want to make sure you understand the value, the immense value that we've put into this workshop for you. So usually when we do workshops, we charge $1,200 per workshop. So right now we're offering, besides the conference, besides all of these amazing speakers that are going to be here educating you guys about all of the research, their lifelong research, and to transferring all of this knowledge and information to you. Besides that, besides the conference, we have 5 workshops. Number 1 is with Dr. Konstantin Korotkov, the inventor of Bio-Well. He's going to be there in person in a small classroom setting besides the conference, that you get to ask all of your questions directly from him. He's going to introduce you to all the technologies from the accessories that we have, the future technologies that are coming up, and answer all of your questions hands-on with the Bio-Well there and show you guys exactly how to make sense of different things. So that's just number 1. Number 2 is a workshop that we were put together with Bruce Cryer, the former CEO at HeartMath. So Bruce is an amazing educator that has been working with many corporations, has been doing this for decades of educating different powerful fields to how to bring brain and heart coherence into their practices, into their, for practitioners, for even for corporations, of how to improve their productivity. That he's gonna have this workshop there of how to effectively help with our clients to reduce their stress, reduce their anxiety, to bring their autonomic nervous system into balance, and to create connection between their heart and brain, which scientifically has proven to lower chances of a heart attack, to lower chances of stroke. All of these amazing ways to help people with a very simple, natural modality. So that's another private workshop that we have with Bruce Cryer. The third workshop is going to be with me. I'm going to be talking to you about crystal acupuncture. So I've done a lot of research. I have a lot of experience using different types of crystals that we're manufacturing ourselves at Gaia Healers and embedding them with tachyon information. So these crystals are extremely powerful, and we have used them with many healers and getting amazing results, and in a very short time period of using these crystals. So I will teach you how to use the Bio-Well information and how to use these crystals to offer another modality into your practice so that you can bring health and healing to people using a very natural modality that you can do it anywhere. It doesn't matter where you are. Number 4 is going to be a workshop with Dr. Jennifer Miele. She's an amazing soul that's been doing so much research on phototherapy and laser therapy. Now just imagine, instead of putting people on supplements and all these different chemicals to tone down their systems, now you're going to have access to learn a whole new science and technology that medical doctors are using, that hospitals and clinics are using, and not just any hospital and clinic. The most advanced hospitals and clinics have access to this technology. Now we're bringing this for you in a private workshop so you can learn from Dr. Jennifer Miele about her decades of research on this technology and the products that they have created in a wearable technologies that any practitioner can have access to activate different systems using different colors of laser and to improve the absorption of different supplements, different products. So this by itself, priceless for you guys to learn how to help people using light. So that's another workshop, powerful workshop that we have for you there with Dr. Jennifer. The last but not the least, we have Grandmaster David Harris. He's a world-renowned remote healer that has created software, has created technologies in order to connect people, doesn't matter where they are in the world, and to be able to direct healing frequencies, informations, and to reduce their stress no matter where they are. So from Grandmaster David, you're going to learn how to use the Bio-Well system in a remote setting. Let's say if you have a customer across the world that you want to scan him. How are you going to scan him? That's what you're going to learn from Grandmaster David and using his technologies that is going to protect you. It's going to filter a lot of unwanted exchange of information that happens during remote healings, and to bring you a very, very powerful way of expanding your practice. I mean, we have practitioners that are using his system that are making over $100,000 a year just by using his remote healing sessions. So this is what we're offering to you. I just want to make sure you guys can understand the immense value that we've put into here for you. And once you complete these 5 workshops, we're going to give you 5 certifications of completion. And then the Gaia Healers, the Gaia Practitioners Network that we've created to market our practitioners. Now, all of these modalities that you get your certification, they will become a part of your services that we recommend to the audience around you in your different cities and different communities. So now this way, we're going to promote you and send you even customers to come to get crystal acupuncture for you, to do the Bio-Well scan, to get remote healing, to use laser therapy. So now I just want you to understand why we set up this event this way. So make sure you grab your ticket. Make sure you're there in this event, because we're taking Gaia Healers to a whole new level, and we want you to be a part of it with us. I'll see you guys in Orlando.